Aye, aye. Here we go. Got your cameras on.
Yeah.
Fucking eyeball the engine. Here it goes, look.
The pink tram.
Oh, come on.
I'm surprised Nige hasn't entered fucking Blues and Twos mode yet.
That is as fast as it goes, though, isn't it?
Go on. Yeah, now you fucking turn on, dickhead.
Hey, up the cafe's open.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, first time, isn't it?
Should have had a coffee.
Well, we can do a quick fucking lay-by battery change, can't we?
Quick?
Wow. Relatively quick.
Relatively, yeah. I don't mind the fast lots because it means I can have a smoke, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Do you know what? Trying to work they fucking buttons with winter gloves on.
Yeah, it doesn't happen very well, does it?
Will that 360 not link up to your remote?
Yeah.
Well, have you got your remote linked to your camera?
No. The remote is sat there. The remote's been an ornament ever since I bought the fucking thing.
Why don't you pair it with the 360 then?
I should do, but then that's something else to remember to fucking turn on.
That's true, yeah. Like I've got my remote on my bars and not turned on or connected.
Naturally.
As you do.
I'm so used to hitting the button on the camera.
It's because I haven't got the nipples on the buttons, that's what it is.
I haven't got any
Yeah, if there were nipples on it, you'd be fondling it all day.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice bit of tarmac.
Yeah, well, this was fucking uber bad, wasn't it? It was really bad.
See, now they've laid all this new tarmac, in a week's time they'll come along and dig it up to put fucking services in.
The only thing that would make them think twice about doing all that shit is if the council was to say to them, that's fine, you dig it up, but you don't just patch it. However long you fucking dig up, you resurface that whole section.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, look at them over there, Steve. Oh, caravan. Oh, caravans. Do you like my stickers on my panniers?
Yeah, they're very nice.
I've got another one for you today.
What?
My new one.
Oh, you haven't done, have you?
Yeah.
I ought to, really. I ought to have some done with, right turn my ass.
Well, these ones come for the States.
States?
Yeah.
You see, you ought to have your stickers done, Nige, but instead of that cartoon character, actually have a photo of you doing it. And have them done in 3D embossed.
Right, we need to do batteries somewhere.
We do.
Isn't there a spa shop through here that might or may not sell a coffee?
Because this is that place with the bears, beavers, badgers, whatever the hell they are.
Yeah, go on then, over you go. Bastard! Yeah.
You swallowing wildlife?
It's a fucking... a wasp.
Or wasp.
Straight in me mouth, that was.
Yes, Bonnie.
He's making a meal of that, isn't he?
He is, isn't he?
Well,
He don't have that much sauce with a fry up.
Yeah, the bastard, he's...
Well, don't piss him off so he comes and stings me.
He's down there now. Or half, or half of it. Puh. Ah, here we go, Costa in the post office.
Yep.
Shall we,
Yes, we
car
shall.
park it?
Yeah.
Anywhere
Probably
you
not
like.
right outside his front door.
I'm going to go up on here. Can you all get on?
Well, I can stay on the roadside here if you like.
Yes, riding along talking, and all of a sudden, a fucking wasp goes in me gob.
Still recording.
Look at that. At least he remembered to turn it on this morning. So we're not far away now, are we?
Wouldn't have thought so.
No.
20 minutes?
If that, innit? I'm a twat actually, because once
Well, we
my
know that.
microphone's once my microphone is connected to it, I could just say those 2 words, can I?
Well,
Yes, you could, yeah.
yeah.
And as long as our cameras don't hear it, we'll be fine.
Yeah, but you said that. Do you know, it's funny, I was thinking about it because I fell prey to that a couple of times where you utter those magic words and you don't
Yeah.
realise. And you kept saying to Steve those magic words.
Yes, oh God, yeah, I did. And funny enough, I said, whose camera
Exactly.
Yes.
has just...
And Steve said, "Oh, why?" And you were talking about that magic phrase.
I bet that's what it
Yeah,
did.
that's why I've switched mine off from voice commands.
What, voice commands?
It was pointless because it doesn't save a huge amount of battery because you've got to have the camera on for it to listen to you, and it auto shuts
Yeah.
off after a while anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, alright, yours is a bit awkward to get to, but because we do battery stops, because it's running just as well, I don't bother with that because I know what Cardo's like as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
Saying that though, it hasn't happened for a while, has it?
Mine did this morning.
Oh, did it?
Yep. Within 30 seconds of leaving the house. White noise.
I wonder if Joe has got there because a message has just come up in the group.
Yeah, I've just had about 3 messages.
Well, that was Harry and Alex. Alex said it's going to be quiet
was
in
it?
here for a few days, and Harry said, "Thank fuck for that, a bit of peace and quiet." And then they said, "I wonder if these messages buck up Nigel's sat nav." I said, "Look, he looks at it anyway." So what are we doing for the rest of the day? I mean, obviously we're doing this Lex Moto thing.
What do you mean? Got fucking going virtue.
Well, yeah, there is that.
We're gonna test ride these 6 new Lex Motos and then go and test ride an RT.
Well, I'll test ride the RT. You test ride one of the other Beamers. Pretend you're looking to change.
I bet this is a cyclist causing this, isn't it?
Yeah, probably.
Selfish.
With an ass the size of Argentina.
Other countries are.
Now, if it's a young, slim, athletic woman in spray-on lycra,
He's not allowed to look. Because he called her fat.
I mean, it could be, which explains why the traffic isn't going past.
Yeah, they're all having a good old gawk.
Yeah.
There, see, twat, teacher for not letting us out of the lights. Oh no, it was a tractor. I think he got a shit flicker on the back of him. Oh no, I think it's a fucking Gertwick. Yeah, tractor trailer, look. Well, at least he's doing the decent thing that they're supposed to. You'll get a beep, thank you. Thank you, Bavna.
I saw a video yesterday of a farmer with a slurry fucking flinger on, and he caught somebody camping in his field.
Yeah, drown the fuckers in it.
Yeah, went straight past him, stopped outside his tent. The poor bloke tried to close his tent flat and then had to go and hide behind his tent while he fucking lathered him with it.
That'll be enough to collapse the tent, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Did he yell, "Get off my land"?
I don't know, I didn't have the sound on.
Ba-dum-ba-ding dong, ba-dum-ba-da-ba-da, oh, life could be a dream. Oh, blue lights.
Losing twos.
Llexeter Limited.
Mate, they're all there already, look.
They are, they're all here, they're all here. Let's shove that old fucking Honda up the ass.
Where are we going to park us, Stevie?
Did you ride it when I was...
Oh, I don't bloody
Did
care.
you ride it when I rang you before?
Oh,
I got
hey, Cardo, radio off.
Stedler and Waldorf in me fucking ear
Shut
roll.
up.
Go on then, you know you want to.
Yeah.
So Joe, time to go. Stuart, say right. Nick, hi Stevie. Steve, the Dorset rider. Lines, touch 29. Bacon back.